Hello everyone, so here in Baños, my home base is the community Hostel Baños, and it's truly a special hostel. My favorite thing is actually the distance of city center is only 5 minutes walking distance, and also only a few minutes away from a thermal bath, which is right around the corner from here. It's super clean, the staff are super friendly, and also there's a lot of community here. I mean, lots of activities you can do. But with that being said, let's go in and check it out. And I think you're gonna like it as much as I do. So this hostel also offers hot breakfast for a reasonable price. And you get a full dose of vitamin C here. A yogurt, and also a hot entree. It changes every single day, so I'm excited to find out what's for tomorrow morning. For now, I'm going to really enjoy. So for $5 every single night, they have something new for dinner. So tonight, look like it's hamburgers with some fries. And also, what's so cool about their burgers? They put guacamole on here. Can't go wrong. $5 is pretty reasonable. Plus, you give them a job, right? Alright, so this is one of the dorms. As you can see, it's lovely and clean. This is perfect for those of you who's looking for the budget option. It's nice and spacious. Seriously. The rooms are clean every single day. That's why it's spotless. The linens and the beddings and everything are changed every 3 days. House is included in our accommodations. And for those of you with valuables, there's also a safe under every single bed. And every single dorm has its own showers and toilets. For those of you who's traveling here as a couple, well, this is all the privacy you probably will ever need. You get a large queen bed, as well lots of storage space, as well a private ensuite. And check out this view. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, with that being said, I hope you come, enjoy your time here, and write your own reviews. So, see you next time.